ABC Creative Studio. Today let's make about Mickey Mouse pencil holder. Materials. Get 2 pieces of small Pringles tube. Cut by a cutter at the tip. Prepare a tube size of 22 centimeters by 9.5 centimeters. Cover the tube by red color for the bottom part. You can use double-sided tape or glue to paste. After, paste the glitter board with glue gun for the top part. Cut a size of 23 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters to overlap, from the other side to close. Paste the round shape at the top part. Cut again with the size of 23 centimeters by 1 centimeter. Get a yellow foam sheet for the feet and lay out like this. Paste it with glue gun. Make a black circle for Mickey Mouse ears and paste like this. Cut like this and paste it. Make a small Minnie Mouse for the add-on design. Make a small white dots using a correction fluid. Make a hole to attach the cord. Brush with glue to add glitters. Take a look with our finished artwork. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.